There are 34 Pokemon manholes around in Hokkaido. Look at this beautiful pink color. This is why it's called cherry blossom trout. We're Kumi and Joshua. We are on a journey traveling Japan, camping our way from north to south in a converted minivan, looking to explore more of its nature beyond the touristy destinations, traveling without expectations and seeing where the road takes us. Right now, we're getting lost in Hokkaido for the summer. We are at Shiretoko National Park today, and this is day 1. We're going to do a waterfall hunting. But first, checklist: mosquito spray, water, binocular, some food.
Most importantly,
hat.
no. What's on your side?
Oh, bear bell. And we're ready to go. Let's go.
Super green, actually. All you hear is, what are these, crickets? What do they call them? Cicadas. Is that what it is?
Yeah.
That's all you hear is cicadas. You know, it's very weird. It's like we hope we see bears, but at the same time, it's very situational, right? We hope we see them from afar. I don't want one walking in our path or nothing like that. That would be creepy.
Ooh, that's so cute. Look at that. Down there. You see the rainbow?
I thought we were going to be able to swim in there.
You can go if you like.
I won't come back. What do you think about that? The first waterfall.
Ooh, that was far from what we thought it would be, but it was gorgeous.
Yeah.
And the clarity of the water. Woo, and the view behind you. It's crazy for the first one.
Yeah, that was definitely still beautiful. We thought it was going to be something we can at least touch. But you can't go wrong with a beautiful view of the sea, right?
And all the seabirds flying, the
Yeah, eagles. I'm on a mission to find one that I could actually swim in, though.
Yeah.
Right?
But that's the thing about us. Like, we only know there is a waterfall there, but we don't know nothing.
Yeah, we don't know the
about
details about the waterfall. I actually got my swimming trunks on. Hers is in the car, so we're gonna keep searching. We got a few more waterfalls we're trying to find. Hopefully we find one we can swim in and have lunch by. And maybe see a bear or two on the way there.
Okay, let's head to the next one. Number 2.
Number 2.
Waterfall number 2.
I was a little suspicious of it because you don't have to walk to it. It's just right here on the side of the road.
This is called 3 Layers Waterfall.
At least it's a nice view.
I know. That's the cutest family ever. The whole fam have the proper outfit and fishing from here. So cute.
See?
It's pretty high. Yes.
No swimming.
Swimmable. You can get it.
Yeah, if you could get to it.
Yeah. You can get it. No problem.
That's cool. It's so cold. Oh my god. Woo! Just breathing. That's only a little bit. But I still want one I can actually get all the way in. So we got one more?
Yeah.
Alright? But this looks beautiful though.
This one's a big one.
Oh.
I prepared the bathing suits for swimming in the sea, not in the waterfall.
I want a waterfall.
You can go ahead.
If we can. I want to go to... We can still find a spot to swim in the sea, right?
Yeah. I think we should do that.
Even though this one's beautiful, it's not... You can't swim in it. But it's super gorgeous to look at. And all of the ones that we went by, when they run down, they run straight into the sea, which is really cool. And you can feel the temperature change once you get a little higher. So, no swimming other than that little one, but still nice. Now we're heading out of here.
We are eating this cherry blossom trout
Why is it called cherry blossom trout?
because cherry blossom trout, well, I'll open it soon, but the regular trout is usually white color meat, but this is a cherry blossom color meat. So it's not as pink as salmon or king salmon, but it's got that really nice pink color. Really big. It's 1.2 kilograms. Today, I think it's gonna be too much just to grill this just for two of us. So I'm gonna cut it up and I'm gonna make cherry blossom trout rice and some grill mushroom miso sauce to go with. I'm just soaking the kombu from Shinhiraka, and this is the water that I'm gonna cook rice in. So it's got the kombu flavor and cherry blossom trout flavor mixed together. I'll soak it for like 15-20 minutes and then start cooking.
I'm always filming you cutting carrots. You cut a lot of carrots.
We eat a lot of carrots.
Always filming carrots.
I'm just chopping up some veggies to put in rice. Also to give some colors and more vitamins.
You look like a vitamin.
Oh, thanks. I take that as a compliment.
It is.
Mm.
Wait for that, huh?
I need to make sure. Add a hint of ginger. Well, I'm also making the miso mushroom sauce for the grilled trout. I forgot. I'm always trying to say salmon, but it's trout. It's a good amount, right? This is a dried shiitake mushroom I made in Shinhidaka. I'm gonna rehydrate and also gives a good broth umami from this. So I'll rehydrate in some leek that. I'll also add some broccoli as a garnish. And here, this is actually miso soup. So it's miso and some broth inside. So all you have to do is to add the water to eat miso soup. But I would like to use this as a sauce today. Let's take this big boy out. Look at this beautiful pink color. This is why it's called cherry blossom trout. Which part do I want to use? Yes.
It's a lot of meat.
Beautiful. It is a lot of meat.
Even the head.
I think head should be on the grill directly with salt. Or grill it and with wasabi salt. Let me crack it open. Just grill this. This is not a cutting board, so super slippery. It's very ugly, but it's open now. It's so much easier if it wasn't frozen. So I can feel the bone. But something like this I can use for the rice. It's the best way. Okay, so this will be for the rice. I put salmon in the rice. Okay. I have the miso sauce, so not too much. Just lightly salted. I think it's done. Yep. There you go.
It's one way to flip it.
Add shiitake mushroom. That's a little too much. Okay, I will add shiitake mushroom rehydrate water because it's just nothing. It looks nothing, but it's actually the mushroom broth is in it. So I cook in this. Now add 1 pack of miso. So right now this is a very concentrated miso soup. The mushrooms back in. Miso and mayonnaise match well together. There you go.
Itadakimasu. Looks good. Ooh. That rice is awesome. Do you eat the kombu in here?
No.
No? It's just for flavor?
Did you eat the fish?
Yeah.
Wow. So good.
Look at that. Look at it. Take it in. Breathe it in. Take it all the way in. Now explain what that is, my dear. I never saw it until today.
This is potato shochu. So shochu is distilled Japanese.
Don't be so loud, please.
Japanese distilled alcohol. So this is made from potato. So I would say this probably tastes like vodka because vodka is from potato. And I actually never had potato shochu because sweet potato shochu is very famous. Never had potato shochu, but this is a Hokkaido potato shochu.
And this is like a little pack pretty much with 3 different ones. The first one.
This is the regular 25 degrees.
Regular 25. Where is it? Get in there. Regular 25 degrees. This one, what is that? Wait, what do you mean by 25 degrees?
This is original 44 degrees.
What's the 44 degrees? Temperature?
No, it's the alcohol percentage.
Oh.
It's like percent. 44%.
Proof. 44 proof.
Yeah. This is 44 proof.
This is the OG.
OG. This is, in oak.
So this one was made in those big barrels.
Yeah, oak barrel.
Hopefully we could do an episode of this one day while we're here.
We can visit the distillery probably.
So let's do this in order. What's the...
Oh, should I do the 44 proof first?
Is that the OG?
OG one.
And this is what?
That's the regular.
Regular first.
Regular. Yeah.
You try?
I don't find any difference between sweet potato shochu and this potato shochu. It's good. Very smooth.
It is very smooth. Oh, it's very, very smooth. It don't taste like vodka to me.
No, vodka has more like stingy punch to it. But this is very mellow.
OG?
We do OG first?
Yeah.
It's 44 proof though.
You were just getting tastes.
Okay. 44 proof. Cheers.
44 proof.
Woo.
That's it, and a little harder?
But it's still smooth. I'm actually surprised.
Wow. I mean, you feel it in your nostrils. Like burn very slightly. But for a 44 proof,
yeah,
that's smooth.
Yeah.
And it tastes good. I've never had a 44 proof that tastes good alone. And this is the last.
I don't usually like oak because I don't like Chardonnay.
Does it make it sweeter?
Like whiskey-ish.
I'm all about whiskey. I like whiskey.
I can feel the whiskey oak fly.
I like this one the best.
I think so.
Which one do you like the best?
I actually like the original.
The original?
Yeah, I like the 44 proof as well, but the smooth aftertaste, yeah, original.
OG. I like the one in the barrel. These are good though.
They're very good. They're from
Hokkaido, right?
Shadi. It's very, very local actually. It's like right there, like 30 kilometers away. That's this town.
If you notice about us while we're traveling through, you know, we're experiencing all of these places, but we're really also focusing on trying the local foods or local drinks that are specific to that region or these prefectures. Because, you know, Japan has so much history and every prefecture has its own things and they take pride in what they do, and we love that, and we want to, you know, show that to you guys, and also
they take it to the perfection too. You know, that's a Japanese style.
It's a 2,000-year-old country.
Yes.
Right? So everything is to a certain level of perfection because they had so much time to hone in that craft, and it shows. It's delicious.
It's delicious. Yeah. How do you feel?
I feel like I found the love of my life.
Ooh. Say that in the camera.
Bars.
So you will never forget that you said it.
Oh, you got a serious face on it. You got a knife in your hand looking at me like that too?
Right? You said that in the camera.
Yeah.